What is your biggest accomplishment? What got you?
Biggest accomplishment. Similar to my biggest mistake, not getting out early enough. It was getting out, actually making the decision to get out. So John Warlow has a book. You guys have probably read it because you're not in here for a random reason, called Built to Sell. The simplest for a dumb guy like me. It was perfect. It's this big and it's big letters. It's awesome. And the idea is to build your company so that you can sell it. I'm never going to sell. That's neither here nor there. But it teaches you things that you need to implement in order to be able to sell it, like get yourself the heck out of there. And I'd say the accomplishment, the part that I can pat myself on the back for, is not just removing yourself physically, but there's a lot of ego play, and I think a lot of you guys could probably talk. Someone had mentioned you got to be kind of dumb to start a business or something. I totally agree. You can't be really smart for some things, calculated risk, but sometimes you just got to, jump out, just make that leap.